Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 30i, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. This will in turn reveal also a bunch of your toggles, and one of those toggles should be a screen recording toggle. For me it is visible right over here, but you might not find it on the same page or not visible right away, so you might need to scroll a little bit further down. Though this is the default location of the toggles, I believe, so hopefully you can find it in the same exact place. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. This will begin a countdown and record. So once you click on that little overlay that was visible right here, this will stop the screen recording and save it into your Photos application. So I'm going to open that up, assuming I can quickly find it. There we go. And from here, you want to navigate to Library, Screen Recording, and you can see it right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.